Hello again, everyone. Today I'm here with a quick unboxing from Chic Sparrow. This is an item that I actually ordered before I ordered my trifold, the Lewis and Clark, but it took a little bit more time to get to me because there was some extra work involved on Chic Sparrow's side. So I will open this up so you can go ahead and see what I mean. All right, as usual, beautiful little package here. Oh, that's right, I forgot, I got an extra item too. Okay, so I'll show you that as well. So I'm gonna open up the envelope real quick and see. I got a little sticker for the Lewis and Clark. Okay, let's go ahead and put that off to the side. I'll go ahead and open this up. It actually has nothing to do with the main event. But I saw these at Chic Sparrow and I had been wanting to get them, so I just added it to this order since they have them in stock. Sorry, it's very noisy. So this is the newest Field Notes notebooks, and they have little cutouts here so that you can put your own pictures in them, and I thought that was really cool. They're called Vignette. And then there's 3 of them. And let's see, I won't open these up, but I just wanted to show you that those were part of the order, and they do have these at Chic Sparrow. All right, so this is the main event here. I'm really excited to see what this looks like. All right, ooh, that's pretty. That's very pretty. So this is the new monogrammed notebook made to order that they have at Chic Sparrow, and there's a variety of different color of finish that you can get. This is the saddle tan, and I really love all this extra character that's in this particular notebook. I even like this, it's almost like a little dimple here. It's cute. All right, so this is a B6 Slim because that is my usual size. And I wanted to go ahead and try it out with this new service that they're doing. And the M is just beautiful. I love that with the little flowers over here. It's obviously for my first name, Mystery. Let's go ahead and open it up. Oh, and that's interesting. So this, I've gotten, maybe I gotten only one deluxe of the hand-tooled. And on the inside, it was just natural leather on the other one, but this one is actually dyed the same way as the front. So that is nice. And it is deluxe, just like you would get any other deluxe, with the pockets and the secretarial pocket here and the pen loop. So that is super pretty. All right. And I really like how they gave me the more interesting side with the monogram. I actually really like that a lot. But yeah, I wonder if that's a little tooling mark or if that's actually in the leather itself, this little spot. Either way, I think it's very cute. It's almost like a little accent mark up here at the top. All right, and I'm still in my Chic Sparrow Teahouse Chai for my everyday carry. It seems to be developing patina. Oh, I actually have it right here. I can show you how it's been going. It doesn't look that dark, especially not compared to the saddle tan here, but it is developing a little bit of patina. I feel like it's taking a little bit, oh, I have it upside down. I feel like it's taking a little bit longer than I thought. But I am handling it every day, and I'm leaving it out on a table when I'm not using it, and I'm not necessarily protecting it from light or anything. So it's developing a little bit of patina, but I'm wondering if I should go ahead and move into the monogrammed one. Okay, I think this might become more than an unboxing. I think I'm going to move my everyday carry into this notebook as well. It just feels so nice. It's really nice and soft yet firm. I don't know if that's an accurate description for you, but it's very pliable, which is very nice, yet still firm. All right, let's see. So I'm going to move my usual stuff here in the front. And I recently got some new ollie clips with the moon on them, so I replaced my other ollie clip with that. Okay. I'm going to put this in the front. I'm going to lay it out the same way that I have it now with the little zipper folio or zipper wallet in the middle. Okay. And my Jabun Techo is holding up very well, actually. The bookbinding tape seems to be working really well. All right. And let's go ahead and put it in there like that. I will put all the things in the secretarial pocket in the back. And my pen. Okay, it's a little tight because I think it's been glued a little tighter. Oops, cap came off. Let's see. I am going to put my finger in here. Seems like it got glued shut a little bit. So I'm going to try and open that up a little bit with my finger from either side. And usually they're a little bit tight when I first put my pen in, although this is tighter than normal. But I think it'll be fine. Usually after I've taken something like this in and out a few times, it works just fine. So there we go. Oh, this one feels so nice. Yeah, sadly, I just feel like I'm not bonding with this chai. I don't know if it's because the leather is a little bit thin. I just don't know what it is. But even carrying it around the house and everything for a little while, I haven't really warmed up to it. So I'm not sure whether to put this on the for sale pile. I'm just not sure. And now it already has a little bit of a patina. So I have to decide about that. I'm thinking about doing a big destash just because I've been spending quite a bit on fountain pens lately, and I kind of need to recoup some of that money, I think. So, and I have plenty of notebooks that I'm not using. And so what I think I might do is I think I'll do a future video showing the ones that I'm thinking about selling. And through that process, maybe I'll kind of work out more which ones I feel more attached to and which ones I don't. So that's just a thought. It might take me a little while to do that because I do have a pretty significant pile now of notebooks that I'm thinking of selling. So we'll see. But that's it for today. Now I'm going to be, excuse me, now I'm going to be using this as my everyday carry for a little while and see how I feel about this one. I really, really like the feel of this leather. It's, like I said, it's firm, yet kind of a little bit squishy and soft, and I really like the color, and I really like the variation on the cover here. I really like that. Okay, so that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Turned into more than an unboxing there, but I hope you were okay with that. All right, well, that's it for today. I will see you next time. Feel free to like and or subscribe, and have a great day. Thanks so much. Bye.